those cute little red parts. When it releases tons of energy in the burst, the electric power is equal to that of a lightning bolt. That's a lot of energy in one little guy. Now, we can duplicate that kind of energy here on stage. I have the machinery here called an Odin coil. Everyone say ooh. Everyone say decoil. Perfect. Now this Odin coil is going to help us make some electricity. And it can be pretty powerful. Obviously, I'm not going to shock anyone as much as that might be exciting. So, I'm going to need a volunteer. Let's see, my friend over here, come on up. Alrighty, my friend, welcome. Come on up, what's your name? Alrighty, Sarah. So, what you're going to do is, I'm going to switch this back a little bit. You are going to stand right over here for me. Perfect. And you're going to face the audience and you're going to hold your arms out like this. Perfect. Hold it there. Alright. So, the next step is, we have a nice big light bulb here. So, it's actually 2 light bulbs in one. You're going to hold on to that. And we are going to try to light up the light bulb with our Odin coils. Now, I'm going to get the light a little bit dimmer. There we go. Alright, we're going to cut the light so you can see the light bulb a little better. Let's plug in our Odin coil. There we go. Oh wow, this outlet is lighting me. Alright. 1 second, everybody. There we go. I learned how to plug it in. So, here we have our Odin coils. If I press on it, you can hear it making a noise. But when I apply it to the light bulb, and don't worry, it'll be perfectly safe. Just don't drop the light bulb, alright? Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Look at that. So you can see that the light bulb lights up, both of them, and we can see a little bit of the electricity arcing out of the Odin coil. So, we have a nice display of the electricity going from this to that. Alrighty. Now, we are going to do it on the opposite side so that the other half of the audience can see the little spark of the electricity. Careful. Tilt it. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. There we go. So you see the electricity coming out of the Odin coil into the light bulbs. Pretty cool. Give it up for our volunteers. Thank you. And you can go ahead and have a seat. Now, I have one last little trick for you all. Lighting up the light bulb is cool, but I have something even better to light up for you all. And it is this right here. So, this, if we take the electricity and we arc it into this, we can see that all these spiky balls in here are going to light up, but not at the same time because it is regional, right? It's not going to arc through the light bulbs the same way. So here we go in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Alrighty. Now,